Once you have entered the Report sub-menu and selected your draft, select Outgoing Money, then the Unpaid tab. This will show all competitors who scratched from events after being marked as paid. Competitors will automatically be assigned a refund type depending on when they scratched in relation to the start date of the draft. If a competitor scratches from your draft 7 days prior to start, they are eligible for a full refund. If they scratch 7 to 4 days prior, stock levy is retained. If scratching occurs 3 days prior, the refund will be shown as retained full amount. Refund types can be changed by selecting the Actions box in line with the primary account you wish to change the refund type for, then navigating to the Edit Refund Amount drop-down in the gray rectangle near the top of the screen. Select which refund type you would like them to receive, then click the Apply button directly next to the drop-down. Notice competitors with the refund type, Retain Full Amount, will not have an invoice number. If you then change it back if you do not want them to receive a refund. Watch the next video in this series to see how to prepare your refunds to upload to your online banking.